German defense firms Diehl Defence and HENSOLDT announced an expanded collaboration focused on enhancing ground-based air defense capabilities. Building on existing systems already in production and available for swift deployment, the partnership aims to deliver highly adaptable, software-driven solutions designed to counter a broadening array of advanced aerial threats. Central to their approach is the integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI, with existing platforms such as the IRIS-T SLM missile system and the TRML-4D radar. This fusion is expected to boost mobility and threat detection responsiveness, allowing defense units to operate more autonomously and with greater speed in dynamic battlefield environments. The threat landscape confronting air defense has dramatically evolved. Previously dominated by conventional aircraft and helicopters, it now encompasses cruise missiles, hypersonic weapons, drones, and ballistic missile threats. This shift demands defense systems that can react rapidly and reposition quickly after engagement to avoid counterattacks. Diehl Defence is actively pursuing automation and the use of semi-autonomous vehicles to enhance survivability and operational agility. AI-driven decision-making algorithms are integrated to improve situational awareness and optimize real-time responses. Helmut Rauch, CEO of Diehl Defence, emphasized that rapid repositioning post-strike is vital for maintaining tactical advantage. AI not only accelerates this mobility but also streamlines command operations, compensating for personnel shortages and complexity in modern warfare. HENSOLDT complements this vision by contributing its expertise in software-centric defense technologies. Their approach allows seamless integration of new and legacy components, significantly accelerating modernization cycles and enhancing interoperability within European defense frameworks. Oliver Dorr, CEO of HENSOLDT, highlighted how combining their sensor technologies with Diehl's missile systems elevates European air defense capabilities and sovereignty. The IRIS-T SLM is a highly versatile medium-range missile system adapted from the air-to-air IRIS-T missile, now optimized for surface launch. This platform offers comprehensive 360-degree coverage and can engage multiple simultaneous targets with precision. Its modular design supports integration into national and NATO air defense networks, providing flexible deployment options. Pairing with the IRIS-T SLM is HENSOLDT's TRML-4D radar, featuring advanced AESA technology capable of tracking up to 1,500 targets in real time. It detects a wide range of threats, including drones, missiles, and aircraft at various altitudes and velocities. AI-enhanced target recognition accelerates threat classification, ensuring rapid and accurate decision-making crucial for modern engagements. The need for these advancements is driven by the increasing speed, stealth, and complexity of modern airborne threats, which outpace older defense systems. Contemporary battlefields require systems that are not only agile and networked but also capable of autonomous operation and instantaneous adaptability. By incorporating AI, software-defined architectures, and sophisticated sensor fusion, the combined solutions from Diehl Defence and HENSOLDT promise to secure critical infrastructure and civilian populations from evolving aerial dangers. This renewed partnership marks a pivotal advance toward next-generation air defense technology, focusing on speed, automation, and digital interoperability. Together, Diehl Defence and HENSOLDT are setting a new benchmark for Europe's readiness to counter present and future airborne threats.